Good morning, it's Tuesday, and you know what that means? Science! Heads up, there might be a ghost fact hiding in here. Stay sharp. Which of the following is not a method used to determine the diet of a fossilized dinosaur? That's right, DNA analysis of bone marrow. Which of these renewable energy sources is most affected by geographic location and weather patterns? Boom! Correct. Solar. What specialized type of microscope is most commonly used to examine the surface topography of materials at the nanoscale? That's right, atomic force microscope. What is the purpose of a dessicator in a laboratory? That's right, to maintain a moisture-free environment. Which scientist is known for their work on the conservation of mass and is often referred to as the father of modern chemistry? Boom, correct. Antoine Lavoisier. What unique engineering challenge did the builders of the Trans-Siberian Railway face when constructing the track across the frozen Lake Baikal before a continuous railway was built around it? Correct. Constructing a pontoon bridge that could be disassembled in winter. What is the term for the long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates? Nailed it, climate change. Which Nobel laureate played a significant role in the development of the Green Revolution, a period of increased agricultural productivity in the mid-20th century? Correct, Norman Borlaug. Which of the following scientists is credited with the discovery of penicillin in 1928? Boom. Correct. Alexander Fleming. Which of the following is a common method of numerical integration often taught in introductory calculus courses? Correct. Simpson's rule. Thanks for playing. Like, follow, Bell. Nature and Wildlife is next.